Hello guys, so today I am going to show you how to generate a QR code using Python code. So this will require a little bit of coding knowledge, or it will be okay if you even don't have any coding language. Just follow my steps and it will be done. So let's start with the process or steps. Just follow my steps. Click on a Windows button, press CMD, enter. It will be preferable if you can run this window through the administrator. We have to install two libraries to make this possible. So first one is PyQR code and second one is PyPNG. So how to install it? Let's just get started. First type pip install pip install PyQR code. If you enter it, then it will show some processing like QR code. The library is getting installed, but in my system I have already installed it, so it says requirement already satisfied. The same way you have to type in command like pip install pypng. So it is again showing me that requirement is already satisfied because I have already installed. So after installing the libraries, let's move on and do some coding. So minimize this, and you can have any editor to do the coding, but I am preferring idle. Idle is the default editor that comes with the Python when you install Python from its official site. So create a new file and go ahead and just import the libraries we have installed. So basically what we are trying to do here, or what we are trying to do here, is we have to come up, or we have to convert a link, a URL, into a QR code. So we first have to take a string input that contains URL. So I am declaring a variable link. It will take a input as a link in a string format. So I am just entering a message here for a user. After that, using the PyQR code, we are calling a function create and passing that link into the function. After that, the QR code is created, but we need to have an image or like PNG for it. So using PNG, and we have to transfer this in a variable. So we'll take URL as a variable, and then by calling PNG with the object of URL, we'll create a PNG, giving the name of a file here is a qrc.png, and second parameter is we have to define a scale of resolution. I'll define it as a 6. Let's see if it works. So I'll just run the module. Oh, it needs to be saved. I'll do it. I'm saving it on desktop. I'm saving it as a QR code. Save. And actually it does not give me any error and works fine. So let's see if it does work on a runtime level. So for the results, let's see if it works. So keep this open and open Google Chrome. It's taking some time. After it opens, let's try any of the URL. Let's see for Google. I'm copying the link from here and putting it here. So after pressing enter, It does not show any prompting message, but let's see if it worked. So as we can see, here is a new file that has been created. See the properties of file. It is png file, and you can open it with Windows Photo Viewer. You can see it is a QR code that has been generated for the URL of Google. So that's it. So give it a try, and if it works, give it a like, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in comment section what we can do more for. Thank you.